guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. If you're new here, go ahead and subscribe. Make sure you like, comment, and share my video, y'all. But yeah, today's video, I'm gonna be vacuuming out my car. I know yesterday, I don't know if y'all seen the video or not, but yesterday, you know, me and my boyfriend, well, he washed his truck. And I just sat there and looked pretty, okay? But, yeah, so that's what this vlog gonna be about today. I'm not gonna get my car washed because he's going to do that, okay? But, yeah, I am gonna vacuum it out. So, I'm gonna just take y'all with me. And, yeah, we're gonna go from there. All right.
Yeah. Fucking with a G. Cause I fuck you, that don't mean I trust you, I don't. You got some hot.
Alright, y'all, so I'm here. Y'all, don't pay the bonnet no mind, okay? Do not pay the bonnet no mind. But I'm here. I'm about to vacuum. So, yeah. Gotta get all this stuff out of the car. Hold on. Y'all, this stuff is high. This stuff is like $2 just to vacuum. Oh my goodness, what the world? I should go through the little drive-through thing, the dry car wash thing, but I'm scared, y'all. I'm scared. Alright, let me see. I gotta get rid of this stuff.
Then drop them drawers. I know what you want. I ask myself, is this shit real? I contemplate about how I feel, but you make it way too hard to think that this could be what you love. It took a lot of hard shit just to learn how not to break down and stop, baby. No matter what I've seen in the past, I won't let it impact how we grow now, baby. But can't let it slip away, drift away, can go to waste, I say it straight, straight to your face, won't contemplate, you got to play that, babe. I don't wanna wait another minute for you. I know you got me falling from the ceiling for you. You went from the start, there was no limit to you. And I'm catching feelings, baby.
Like, go through the little thing. But y'all, I'm scared. I'm really scared. I ain't even gonna lie. I'm scared, y'all. I'ma wait on it. I ain't gonna do it. Okay, I just need to get some stain removers or something, and you know, spray that. But yeah, y'all see it. I done cleaned I vacuumed out the car. So yeah, I think I'm gonna wait, cause y'all, I was gonna I need to go to Dollar General. I ain't trying to spend too much, but I do need some food, whatnot. Whew. Yeah, I'm tired already. I mean, to get me a few little things because I need a few little things. Need some food for one. I don't think I'm cooking tonight. I don't know, y'all. Who that dog scared me, y'all? It's a dog looking right at me. But yeah. I know I need to find me something to eat though, cause I ain't ate since earlier, y'all. It was like at 2 o'clock. It's about to be dinner time, so yeah, cause it's now 5:41. It's about to be dinner time. So if I ain't gonna cook no dinner, I need to cook something to put on my stomach. I mean, I got them hot dogs in there, but all right, y'all, let's go in the store. Come on.
Brand new. Blame it on your lips, your touch, your kiss, you know, real traditional. But your love's too original. You were anything but conventional. Baby, did you know that from the moment we fell in and knew we couldn't fall back, knew I'd always crawl back. Cause baby, it's the everything for me, for me, for me. Baby, it's the everything for me, for me, for me. Cause baby, it's the everything for me, for me, for me. Baby, it's the everything for me. Pretty, but coming from that pretty mouth. Good day in my mind, seem to take a step out. Yes, I'm in now, let your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You so you